So my wife is a stay-at-home mom, and she does most of the cooking in the house while I'm at work. And there's one thing that she really hates to do is to cut up onions each time that she has to make a meal. So what I do for her are a couple things. One is I dehydrate the onions in a dehydrator, and then I grind them up, put them in a jar, and she can open that jar, measure out as much as she wants into whatever she happens to be making. Those are really good for soups. And here, another thing that I do is I dice up the onions using this chopper. So just a quick peel of the onion, quick couple slices into fours, and the onion peels go in the compost bin, and I just chop them up in my chopper. It creates really nice diced onions for her. And what I do is I freeze them. So I just freeze them in individual freezer bags in small amounts so she can pull out these small bags at a time, and they break apart really easy. They don't stick together when they're frozen, and she can just break them apart and measure out what onions she needs for whatever meal she happens to be cooking. And it's super easy for her and saves her time.